Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your investments with Charles Schwab easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your investments with Charles Schwab, start by creating an account on their website. Visit the Charles Schwab homepage and click on Open an Account. Select the type of account that suits your investment needs, such as a brokerage or retirement account. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your social security number and financial details. Once your account is created, log in to your Charles Schwab account. Navigate to the Accounts tab on the dashboard. Explore the investment options available to you, such as stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. To set up investment protection, look for the Portfolio section. Review your current investment portfolio to identify risks. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risk. Use the research tools to analyze potential investments. Look for options such as stop-loss orders, which can help limit your losses. Set up alerts to notify you of significant market changes that could affect your investments. Take advantage of educational resources offered by Charles Schwab to enhance your knowledge. With these tools, you can make informed decisions to better protect your investments. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategy as needed. Stay informed about market trends and economic indicators through Schwab's news resources. Incorporating these steps can help safeguard your financial future with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.